Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix Wi-Fi problem in your Redmi smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So if you are having this Wi-Fi problem, if your some networks are not connecting to your device or your Wi-Fi is automatically turning off, so how you can fix these type of problem? So firstly you have to long press the Wi-Fi and click on available network, click on refresh. Now you have to click on the network and type here the passcode. So like this you have to connect it. So in this mobile it is connecting. If it is not connected, you can check the password that you have putting here may be incorrect also, so you have to better to check this password once again. There is second step. You can just go for this scanner. By entering the password you can choose this second step, QR code. You have to just scan the QR code and the Wi-Fi is maybe connected. And you can, if it is not connecting, you have to go to the settings feature, click on search, and here you have to type reset Wi-Fi settings. Then you have to simply scroll down and click on this function and click on reset settings, and you can see by doing that this will reset your Wi-Fi network settings. Just restart your device and now your Wi-Fi will be connected to the network. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.